Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Dimitra's Dishes. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a super simple and easy appetizer. I'm going to teach you how to make my baked feta and olives. It's just very few ingredients that you put together, bake them for like 25-30 minutes, and you have something delicious to serve to your guests that hardly takes any effort. It probably takes not even 5 minutes to put this whole thing together. Let's go over the ingredients so we can start. I have a little bit of fresh oregano, a sprig of fresh rosemary, but you could use either or. You could just use one or both, or you could even use the dried version of the herbs. I have some crushed red pepper flakes, a big huge block of feta that's actually cut into 2 pieces. I have 2 different kinds of olives. These are Spanish olives that are stuffed with pimentos, and these are pitted Kalamata olives, and have some good quality Greek olive oil. So this begins with some feta cheese. Now always buy the best quality feta that you can get at your store. Now you can take these chunks and just put them in the baking dish, but I'm gonna cut them into little cubes because it just makes serving it so much easier. Then I have an 8-inch square little baking dish here. I'm just gonna put the feta chunks in the center of it. And these are about 1.5 inches long, I guess, because they're not really cubes. They're sort of more like rectangles, but this does not have to be perfect. This is a rustic appetizer. And you can do one flat layer of these, but I just like the way they look in the center. Then I'm gonna take the Kalamata olives. I've already drained the brine that they're in, or at least most of it, and I'm gonna put half on one side and half on the other. And then I have these little Spanish pimento olives. You can use any olive combination you like, and I like to sprinkle these in as well. I'm gonna drizzle this thing with some olive oil. I would go for about 1/4 cup just because it's great for dipping the bread in later on. And then I'm gonna put the herbs on the side. They're gonna release their aroma and just flavor this dish even more. And because I like a little kick of heat, I'm gonna sprinkle some crushed red pepper flakes over the top. My oven is preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm gonna place the baking tray in the center rack of the oven, and I'm gonna let it bake for 25 minutes, just so that way everything can soften and all the flavors can meld together. Then I'm gonna turn the broiler element on for about 2 to 3 minutes, keeping a close eye on it. You just want it to get nice and golden on top. I'll show you what it looks like as soon as it comes out. So once the feta comes out of the oven, you can go ahead and slice up some toasted, crusty, delicious bread and just put it on a platter or a cutting board, and that is all you need. You could drizzle some more olive oil if you want and even sprinkle some dried oregano on top, but it is smelling absolutely delicious. I'm gonna go in and take a bite. You would think that these very strong flavors like feta and the briny olives would intensify from baking them, but they actually don't. They mellow out a little bit, and the feta and the olives both get soft and juicy, and they infuse the olive oil, and everything just tastes so delicious. I think you guys are gonna love it. You can go ahead and print the instructions on how to make this on my website, www.dimitrasdishes.com. Thumbs up if you like the video and if you want to see more quick and easy appetizers, and I will see you all in the next one. Yes, yes.